this video, I'm going to show you how to request a petition through DegreeWorks for a student. A petition is a request for a substitution or an exception be placed on the student's audit. So what you'll need to do first is click on the tab that says Petitions, and here you'll be able to view all petitions that have been requested. It is categorized 4 different ways. First, petitions awaiting approval, petitions that are approved, petitions applied as exceptions, and petitions that have been rejected. If you would like to add a petition, what you'll do is click right here, Add Petition, and you'll enter in a description of the substitution that you're wanting to do for the student. So what you could type here is request to substitute HSEI 102 for a natural science elective. If you are happy with your description and would like to submit this petition, you will just click on Submit Petition. So we'll go ahead and do that. And here it tells you your petition was added successfully. If you would like to see the status of any petitions that you have requested for the student, you'll just go to the View Petitions, and here you can see that this was added on September 6th, who it was created by, and the description of the petition. Now on the backhand side, what will happen is there is a workflow for the division chairs. So once you place your petition, the division chair will be able to go in and either approve it or reject it. If your petition is approved, it will slide into the petition's approved slot. And once the registrar's office applies a petition as an exception or a substitution on the student's audit, you will see it listed here. To show you what your petition will look like once it is applied to the audit, let me show you that. You'll click on Worksheets, and here it will be written out in blue. So this substitution was approved on September 4th, and the substitution is to replace Math 110 with Math 105. So the Math 105 course did fulfill this requirement for this degree. And that is how you will request a petition from your division chair.